4 essential tools in 5 minutes. Are writing scores the lowest in your county? Writing skills are the core of Common Core testing success because assessment in all subjects requires skillful written responses that meet the standards. If you are worried about missing the mark when it comes time for Common Core or other state testing, then we recommend implementing a writing initiative at your school to build strong writers. Without a serious commitment to effective writing instruction in your school, scores will not improve. Many teachers struggle with writing instruction, and because of this, writing often gets cut to accommodate other activities, more so than that of math or reading. To tackle these obstacles, we created this short 5-minute video and a packet of materials to help your school implement a writing initiative. We're calling our writing initiative Right Steps to Succeed, but you may find a more suitable name for your school. Let's hit the path on the road to writing success. Tool number 1, evaluate current writing practices. The first step in this process requires careful reflection and evaluation of current writing practices from all staff responsible for writing instruction. Effective school leadership depends on the knowledge and understanding of researched best practices. Administration must be in the know of what's being taught in the classroom. Use our principal self-assessment to identify essential practices of the writing workshop. Armed with a new awareness of how to support your writing teachers, your Right Steps to Succeed vision will shape success for all students. If we don't reflect and evaluate our practices, then how do we know if we are effective? Just as the building leader will examine their depth of understanding of writing practices, so will the classroom teacher. Understanding instructional strengths and weaknesses is vital to move forward towards tool number 2. Tool number 2, determine needs and define goals. After completing the reflection process, it will be time to collaborate. A meeting should be scheduled to discuss individual reflections in order to determine school-wide needs. We've designed a tool to help you evaluate your school's writing program needs. These questions are aligned with an IESD study that compared writing programs based on features identified by experts as necessary to ensure quality writing instruction. Once writing needs are determined, each teacher responsible for writing instruction should establish individual goals for teaching writing. Teachers should consider checked weaknesses from the reflection process. Determining needs and goal setting is a recursive process and an integral part of any initiative. Individual teacher goals should be revisited at least 3 times a year. Collaboration and discussion with staff on what is and isn't working should be ongoing. Tool 3, Implementation, Time on Task. Time management is key to implementing any new curriculum or program goals. Here is a chart to help your school effectively manage every learning opportunity. As the building administrator, you need to know that writing instruction is getting its rightful share of time. Your Right Steps to Succeed download packet includes 3 different teachers' lesson plan schedules for an entire week. Encourage your staff to calculate the instructional minutes utilized in the different core content areas. Next, have teachers crunch their own numbers and compare to the ASCD's recommended times. Is there room for improvement? Define your instructional time expectations and work through any scheduling issues together so your teachers clearly understand what is expected. Ask teachers to provide their schedule, days and times for teaching writing, and then you will be ready to implement tool number 4. Tool number 4 is monitor. Monitoring the implementation of goals and writing needs is crucial. Use this Administrators Walkthrough Checklist for random drop-ins. We suggest giving teachers a copy of this checklist to help them understand the expectations of your writing initiative. Use the teachers' developed weekly plans to pick a time to randomly drop in when writing is scheduled to take place. Okay, time to take action. Time to start building a community of confident teachers and strong writers. Download our Write Steps to Succeed packet to get started. What are you waiting for?